Are you ready to decode the mysteries of the 2025 real estate market? Whether you're dreaming of your first home, planning to invest, or deciding if it's time to sell, 2025 could be your year. But the big question remains: where and when should you make your move? Let's dive into the trends, predictions, and opportunities that will shape the housing market next year. Hi, I'm Nai Tao, a licensed real estate agent with Keller Williams Atlanta Partners in North Georgia, license number 4426664. I specialize in helping clients find income-producing properties, rental investments, and other smart real estate opportunities. Welcome to the Real Estate Compass. Thank you for tuning in. If you're passionate about real estate or just looking for expert advice, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for regular updates, tips, and insights. In today's video, we'll explore everything you need to know about the real estate market in 2025. Where to buy, when to sell, and what experts are predicting about home prices, mortgage rates, and rental markets. So let's dive in. Let's take a moment to reflect on 2024, a year that some economists have called a frozen market. Home buyers faced a double punch of sky-high mortgage rates and stubbornly high prices, while sellers held on to their properties like they were rare treasures. Why sell when rates are this high, right? I've seen firsthand how these trends have kept folks stuck on the sidelines, waiting for the perfect moment to jump in. But here's the exciting part. 2025 is poised to shake things up. Experts agree that next year won't be about dramatic drops or skyrocketing prices. It'll be about opportunities for those who know where to look. Market trends and predictions for 2025. Matthew Walsh, a leading economist at Moody's Analytics, describes 2025 as a year of recalibration. In plain English, the market is finding its balance. He predicts that by the end of 2025, home price appreciation will slow to around 1 to 1.5% year over year. That's a major shift from the breakneck speed of the pandemic housing boom. What's driving this? Walsh points to increasing inventory, both from new construction finally hitting the market and from homeowners who've adjusted to the new normal of higher interest rates. But not all experts agree. Zillow's senior economist, Kara Ng, predicts a more modest 2.2% growth in home values, while Redfin expects a 4% increase. The wild card? Mortgage rates. The mortgage rates puzzle. What to expect? Let's talk about those dreaded mortgage rates. If you've been waiting for rates to drop below 6%, I have some sobering news. Experts say it's unlikely. Most forecasts suggest rates will hover between 6.8% and 7% throughout the year, with plenty of ups and downs. But don't lose hope. Even small dips can create opportunities. Remember what happened in late 2024 when rates briefly dropped? Buyers flooded the market, snatching up deals and pushing sales higher. The same could happen in 2025. My advice? Stay flexible and be ready to act when rates dip. And if you're wondering whether it's better to buy or rent next year, keep watching because I've got insights that might surprise you. The rise of the rental market. 2025 is shaping up to be a renter's market, especially in areas where new rental units are coming online. If you've been frustrated by high rent prices, good news. Experts at Redfin predict that rents will remain flat next year, and landlords may offer more concessions to attract tenants. For investors, this is a golden opportunity. If you've been considering adding rental properties to your portfolio, now might be the perfect time to strike. Not sure where to invest? Stick around because we're about to explore the hottest markets for buyers and sellers in 2025. Where to buy in 2025? Hot markets and hidden gems. If you're a buyer, the Sun Belt should be on your radar. States like Florida, Texas, and Arizona are seeing increased inventory thanks to new construction and more affordable prices compared to coastal markets. But here's the catch. Not all Sun Belt markets are created equal. In Florida, for instance, home prices have been rising so fast they've outpaced income growth. Add in skyrocketing homeowner insurance premiums, and some markets may actually see price declines. Cities like Tampa and Jacksonville could offer opportunities for savvy buyers. Meanwhile, in the West, areas like Boise, Idaho, and parts of Arizona could see slower price growth, or even declines, due to overvaluation during the pandemic boom. Where to sell in 2025? Stronger markets. If you're thinking about selling, the Northeast and parts of California could be your best bet. Why? These regions are still facing inventory shortages due to slow construction and high demand. Cities like Boston and San Francisco are expected to outperform the national average in home price appreciation. Closer to home, here in Georgia, I'm keeping an eye on areas with strong job growth and population increases. Metro Atlanta continues to attract buyers, especially for income-producing properties and rentals. Is the real estate market stuck in neutral? Or will 2025 be the year the housing roller coaster picks up speed again? Stick around as we unpack the trends, opportunities, and challenges ahead for buyers, sellers, and investors like you. Hi again, I'm Nai Tao, a licensed real estate agent with Keller Williams Atlanta Partners in North Georgia, license number 4426664. I specialize in helping clients find income-producing properties, rental investments, and smart real estate opportunities. Welcome to the Real Estate Compass. In today's video, we'll explore what it might take to jumpstart the real estate market in 2025. Is this the moment you've been waiting for to buy, sell, or invest? Let's break it all down. And don't forget, if you're enjoying this video, like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on all things real estate. Now let's dive in. The state of the market. So, let's talk about 2024. Let's just say the real estate market felt a lot like a stalled car. Prices were sky high, mortgage rates were no picnic, and buyers and sellers alike were hesitant to jump in. Think of it as an amusement park ride that's not quite thrilling, more like one of those kiddie coasters where you're moving, but barely. According to the latest data, home prices in October 2024 were still climbing, up 3.6% compared to the year before. Sounds good, right? But that pace of growth slowed, and let's be honest, homes were still at record high prices. Add in those stubbornly high mortgage rates, and it's no wonder people hit the brakes. But here's the big question. Will 2025 be different? Will this be the year the market finally shifts into high gear? Let's take a closer look at what experts are saying. Mortgage rates, the key to unlocking activity. Here's the deal. Mortgage rates are the steering wheel of the real estate market. Experts say if rates dip into the 5% range in 2025, we could see a surge in activity. But there's always a but. The Federal Reserve has hinted at keeping interest rates high for a while, which might keep those mortgage rates elevated too. Economists like Orrin Klatchkin predict a slow and steady market in 2025. No wild ride, but maybe a gentle incline. This could actually be a good thing for buyers and sellers looking for stability instead of chaos. The impact of inflation and policy changes. Now let's talk inflation. It's like that sneaky hidden fee that makes everything more expensive, including real estate. Add in potential policy changes from the new administration, and things get interesting. For example, if stricter immigration policies create labor shortages in construction, that could drive up the cost of building new homes. Higher costs mean higher prices. And guess who pays the difference? That's right, buyers. And don't forget tariffs. If we see duties on building materials like lumber, those costs will also trickle down to home buyers. It's like trying to build a house of cards in a windstorm. Every factor adds to the challenge. Why some buyers and sellers might act now. Even with all these challenges, there's hope. People have been waiting, patiently or not, for the right time to make a move. Baby boomers, for example, are turning 65 in droves. Many of them are still in the homes where they raised their kids, and they're ready to downsize. As Cheryl Merritt, a real estate broker in North Carolina, puts it, some folks have simply decided, enough is enough. It's time to move. If that resonates with you, maybe it's time to start exploring your options too. Regional opportunities. Where to buy and sell. Now let's get into the juicy details. Where to buy and sell in 2025. Buyers. If you're looking for opportunities, the Sun Belt is calling your name. Think Florida, Texas, and Arizona. These areas are seeing more new construction and tend to be more affordable than coastal markets. But keep an eye on insurance costs in places like Florida. Those premiums can pack a punch. Sellers. If you're in the Northeast or California, you might be sitting on a golden ticket. Limited new construction in these regions has kept inventory low, which supports higher prices. So, if you're thinking about selling, now might be your moment to shine. So, 2025 is shaping up to be a pivotal year for the real estate market. Whether you're a buyer, seller, or investor, the key is to stay informed and act strategically. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the Real Estate Compass for more insights. Got questions about buying, selling, or investing? Feel free to reach out. I'd be happy to help. Until next time, happy house hunting. And here's to making smart moves in 2025.